Vijay, congratulations on the 1000th BPW air suspension kit on your Green Line vehicle. Please take us through the journey. What are the applications that you have used it, and what are the output that the kit has given to you?
Thank you, Rajesh. Congratulations to entire team as well as BPW for doing this. We started way back in 2023. We started only with the first vehicle of a sidewall trailer and a bulker. We tried all opportunities and we finally had a closure with BPW to take it to the application. But way forward in this 2.5-3 years journey, we have completed 1000 vehicles, and we have BPW air suspension along with our vehicle in almost all the application, whether it is a tanker, whether it is a sidewall trailer, bulker. We have high cube containers which is of almost 18.75 meter length and the full height. And also we have tip trailers which nobody tried in India on air suspension, or in the past there was a failure. So now we have almost 120 air suspension vehicle which is running for the last 2 years successfully. So that's the journey where we have jointly worked not only on using BPW, we jointly work on selecting the product and how to optimally use on the vehicle in terms of axle load measurement and how to use that. So it's not just a product we bought and we fitted onto the vehicle. It is a product engineered along with the application, and we decided where to place it. That's number one. Number two, we also taken this as an overall envelope with the manufacturers also. Since Green Mobility is not manufacturing all the vehicle, we have a small manufacturing facility in Chennai where we do hardly, if you say 10% of the vehicle has been produced by us. Balance 95% vehicle has been outsourced. But even in outsourcing, we given the envelope. It is not the full design by them. We said we want this wheelbase, we want this length, width. Everything has been provided by us so that we are getting the vehicle manufactured by anyone, but it looks same and also suit to the application.
Perfect. I mean, you touched upon the output as well as the technology innovation that went into it.
Yes.
What kind of after-sales support does BPW commit in terms of course, first is what the reduced maintenance, then there is total cost of ownership when you say, the asset utilization and the pricing of the thing, and the uptime. You want better vehicle uptime.
Exactly.
How does these categories fare when compared to the other?
With BPW as well as our customers. See, even though Green Line is our sister company, so we treat them as a customer and BPW is my vendor. So we three work together in such a way that wherever my vehicle population is going on, we have a BPW team there, and also we have a spare parts network there and also a service setup there. So all my vehicles, before it fails, actually we are doing a periodic maintenance. So that's the biggest advantage what we have. The maintenance is also been taken care. And way forward, we are also working closely to get this into an AMC mode, so that actually for next 7-8 years, the vehicle is intact. So that is one big thing. And second thing is, as such, for the first 1.5-2 years, we don't have much maintenance to be done or much downtime on the vehicle as such. So that's the biggest advantage. And way forward, we are also working on the complete network as well as availability of spare parts across the globe. So what we are doing currently, we see in pan-India basis, we have 5 or 6 locations where my population is there. So in all these 5-6 locations, we have the spare parts network available and team is available for taking care of the vehicle. And
how has been the driver's feedback in terms of ride quality?
Drivers are very happy for 2 reasons. One reason is actually as a complete vehicle, the Primor is having a very better facility for them in terms of air condition, in terms of all their data has been captured. And on the trailer, when it comes, actually trailer is also equally giving them that advantage on air suspension. So inside the cabin, when they are sitting on the air suspension cabin, air conditioned cabin, they will not have any noise outside. So that has been help for them to know what is happening inside the product. Now we are also working on a telematics which is going to connect inside the cabin, where they will get whether the tire is puncture or all this information we are trying to feed them in the cabin. Currently we are doing it remotely, but now we are developing an app which will be linked with an existing app on the vehicle, so that the data will be given to them in the vehicle itself. So we also fitted in few vehicles as a trial telematics, and also we fitted an air filling kit, so which will help them maintenance of the vehicle. There is no need for checking of the air pressure what is required, so all this get eliminated.
Wonderful, Vijay. Thank you so much for your time. It's seriously a technology partnership that's taking the industry forward.
Thank you, dear.